Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to turn off comments on Facebook. So let's get started. Open your Facebook app on your smart device and make sure you are signed in to your account. By opening the Facebook application on the home page, scroll down to the Create Post option and click on that option. By clicking on the option, a page will open where you will be able to insert the desired text. In our case, we will insert test and click on the next one. Then on the next page, in the upper right corner of the screen, click on the Post option. The application will return you to the home page where you can see your post. Next to it, you can notice 3 dots that will click you. Clicking on those 3 dots will open a drop-down menu where you can drop down to the option Who can comment on your post and click on it. Our recommendation is to select the option Profiles and Pages you mention, which will enable you that only the person mentioned in your post can comment on your post. Since we did not mention anyone in the post, no one can comment on our post. And just like that, comments are turned off for this post. And there it is. By following these simple steps, you can easily manage comments on your Facebook posts. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more social media tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.